I'm Wonkster 1970, and today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on the 2003 Honda Accord with the 2.4 liter engine. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is removing these 4 nuts. Hopefully, I'm using a 10mm socket. Quarter-inch ratchet. That one didn't come out right. We've got 4 connectors right on top of the coils there. And I'm going to try to pull these coil wires off of here. It looks like I'm going to have to do one at a time. And that's not going to work because looks like I need a deep well socket. A deep 10. Gotta use a deep 10mm socket with a 3/8 drive. Get that off. Let's see what this looks like. That's clean. It looks like the coils could be use a replacement though. And get this one off. Try to take them off in the same order. Put them back on in the same order I get them off. Get them out of there. It looks okay. Like I said, I want to set them in the order that I took them out. Bolt's already out on that one. I'll blow these out with a little compressed air. I'm using a 5/8 spark plug socket, and I'm going to need a longer extension than that. I don't really know what to use. It's loose. Phew. That one's not too bad. What are these? Oh, Nippon-Densos. They've been replaced once before, I would believe. I'm installing these Autolite 5224s. XP 5224. Gapped at 43 thousandths. I'm going to put a little bit of Never Seez on the threads, just a little bit. There we go. And I'm using this piece of hose to feed it back down in the hole. Get it started. Take the next one out. It looks a little white. Gap on that one's up past 45. Okay, I got a little bit of never sees on this one, or anti-seize. Got it on a hose. It seems to be in there. Oh, it's not very tight either. A little bit of anti-seize on this one. Let's get that last one out. Oh, it's not bad either. Check the gap on this new one. It's at 43. A little bit of anti-seize on the threads. Threading that back down in. There we go. Okay, I've got my torque wrench set to 14 foot-pounds. There's 14. There's 14. There's 14. There's 14. Putting a little bit of this dielectric grease on each one of the boots of the coils, and then slide them in. Plug each one in. Putting them back in the same order that I got them out. Oh, let me plug that one in. we go. Gonna get the bolts, go in there. Okay, the second and the fourth coil. Get these bolts. Then the first and the third one, get these bolts. And snug them up. That one I'm going to need the deep well. I'm going to snug these up to 7 foot-pounds. I'm going to put this cover on now. Put these bolts here on. I'm going to snug all these down. And I'm going to torque these down to 7 foot-pounds. Starting in the center. That'll do it.